Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Tori Ayanna, and if you can see by the title, or even if you can see by the hair on my head, we will be turning this black wig that I had into this beautiful ginger fall pumpkin spice latte. You know the vibes. So we will be transforming my black wig that I had just sitting in my closet to this now ginger wig. It took me a total of like less than 2 hours, so it was very easy. I decided to go with the watercolor method and the bleach bath, which I can say really works. So if you guys want to see how I transform my black wig to this now ginger wig, just continue watching.
So I went in with 3 scoops of bleach, and then I also went in and eyeballed 30 volume developer. And of course I poured in hot water because it wouldn't be a bath if it didn't have water, right? I then leave it to soak for 30 minutes, and then I go ahead and wash it out. And as you can see, it didn't hit a color that I wanted it to, but in the end it all still works out. Here I'm washing it with some neutralizing shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so now for part 2, I'm going in with some more hot water, and then I go in with 1 bottle of the cinnamon and 1 bottle of Cajun spice by Adore. To ensure that I have the right color, I go ahead and test it with the napkin test, as many call it. And at this point, I'm winging it. I'm just dunking the hair multiple times, as you're gonna see, not really knowing what I'm doing. Now it's time to wash it all over again. I'm going back in with that same neutralizing shampoo, and then I also condition it with Morocco argan oil conditioner to give it a little bit more silk to it. Now here I blow dry it to about 75% dry, and for the time being I let it air dry. Oh yeah, baby, now time for the install. So I saw that a little bit of the lace was turning orange, so I had to go in with my Black Radiance deep to dark bronzing palette and just go all on the lace. 2 coats of the Evans Wonder Lace Bond. A lot of body yaddy yaddy foaming mousse. And although this wig was already customized by me, I still had to go back in and pluck because plucking is key to make a natural hairline.
So I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe. Safe with just you and me. We can leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes.
If somebody put a gun to my head and said match the curl on the same side as your left side to your right side, I die. Tell my family I love them, because that is not happening. For some reason, I just don't know how to match that curl. Like, that's just not gonna happen. It's a very arduous task, to say the least. Okay, let's attempt this together.
Can we relate? Ooh, yeah. Can we debate? Ooh, yeah. But I want debate. Ooh, yeah. I tried the cake. Yeah. Hey. All about cake. Yeah. Hey. Can we relate?
I love this color. This color is the absolute color of the season. I love how this color looks good on every skin complexion. Like, you have the dark skin girls, you have the brown skin girls, you have the light skin girls, you have the fair skin girls. Everybody is cute as a ginger, and I just think everybody should try it. The watercolor method and the bleach bath, that shit makes stuff take, like, it cuts the time in half. It really didn't take me that long. It probably took me a total of like 2 hours, to say the least. It didn't even take me that long. I was just taking breaks along the way. So let's see if this works out for us. Okay, curl. Curl for the girls. Curl for the girls. Okay, I think I should curl this one too, because it's given very much straight. This is not my forte.
Can we relate?
Toxic. Ooh, toxic. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. I am obsessed, to say the least. Something about this ginger has me in a chokehold, okay? This color is perfect for the seasons that are coming up, and I just am glad that I decided to go ahead and try this. It's funny how this stemmed from boredom. I had this wig laying around, and I was like, I want to try something new, and that's exactly what I did, and I am absolutely, positively obsessed with her. Like, let's talk about it. I understand this side looks lopsided, but There's nothing much I can do because I struggle with curling. It's not my forte, but I do enjoy this hair color. And if you enjoyed the video, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe for me, and I will see y'all in my next video. Deuces.
I love you, I love you, I love you, till I love you, I love you, I love you, till I love